This versatile mat comes with 83 magnets and can hold up to 12 kilograms. This expert introduces the laser liquid transfer pump, which can pump up to 7 liters per minute, ideal for kerosene or oil. Festool is marking its 100th anniversary with a new tool. This battery-powered 18-volt eccentric sander will be out in February 2025. Let us know in the comments if you want to see a separate video about next year's tools. Ruby Octo USB Energy is a battery-powered suction cup for tiles that can support up to 140 kilograms. The Hilti Exo T22 can handle around 17 kilograms, helping workers manage heavy tools by redistributing the weight. Drainfast's ProCut Plus Sight Stack system tackles 3 tasks. It clamps pipes, cuts them, and bevels them perfectly. The Milwaukee Nitrous Carbide blade can be used 2 times longer than similar tools, letting you cut through hundreds of screws. Woodpeckers designed this handheld router plane with a working area of 22 by 9 centimeters. Tough-built scraper utility knife is a versatile 2-in-1 tool, switching from a utility knife to a scraper. The Skill Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver features a pivoting head that locks between 3 positions: 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees. This upgrade from Malco turns a drill into a seam cutter, working at speeds of up to 17 meters per minute. Woodpecker's Sand Stand is a stand that holds your sander upside down. Its design is very practical for professionals who regularly sand many small pieces. Is the weather in your city making you happy? Let us know in the comments. In the meantime, let's check the Ryobi Snow Shovel. It safely fights snow up to 15 centimeters deep and throws it up to 6 meters away. Ryobi offers this tool for cleaning windows, floors, and even cars. The standard 15cm diameter brush spins at 210 revolutions per minute, leaving no chance for dirt to stick around. With this seed planter, the process of planting rice becomes easier and more enjoyable. Here you can see a threading machine in action. The SID 622 impact driver is not only powerful, but also features beautiful illumination. Ibenstock provides a solution that makes working with jammed bits much easier. The EOF 100.1 is another development from Ibenstock. It's a sanding and milling machine with an adjustable depth ranging from 0.1 to 1 mm, and it's equipped with a 1.4 kilowatt motor. Klein Tools has a system that uses rare earth magnets to quickly and easily pull wires and cables. The laser hot blade scraper heats up to 230 degrees, making it easy to remove stickers and decals. Arbortech showcases the Spheroplane, an attachment for an angle grinder. This demolition tool from Stanley is a game changer for home and apartment renovators, simplifying different tasks such as nail and molding removal. The Raimondi SOS clip is a leveling system for tiles, ranging from 3 to 20 mm thick and joints starting at 1.5 mm wide. Wolfcraft offers a set of 4 products for renewing silicone and acrylic joints. Wolfcraft also sells a Japanese saw in 24 and 33 cm lengths, featuring 2 cutting edges of 8 and 17 TPI. Now you can turn an 18-volt cordless drill into a cement board cutter with the Snapper Shear Pro. Surprisingly, this powerful cutter is cordless and designed to be operated with just one hand. This versatile post puller by Sumo can be used with posts, supports, and more. The Milescraft Saw Guide system enhances precision when you're working with a circular saw or jigsaw. Milescraft also offers a tool for making holes called Circle Guide Kit, which can handle diameters up to 1.3 meters. This is a pretty interesting member of the Milwaukee M18 family of floodlights. It has an output of 4,500 lumens, and its battery lasts up to 30 hours. Meanwhile, the Keka high-pressure washer is a great help for tackling major cleaning tasks. The laser nut wrench set includes 6 ratchet wrenches, ranging from 10 to 19 mm. Laser welding goggles feature an automatic light filter with a darkening range of 11 din and IR and UV protection of 16 din. The Ergo handheld countersink is great for drilling holes up to 19 mm in diameter and works well with plastics, wood, and aluminium. The Rocut 26 MSR pipe cutter works with composite and plastic pipes up to 26 mm in diameter. Levoit created a dowel-making jig with diameters ranging from 8 to 20 mm. Knipex neck strip wire stripper handles copper and aluminium wires up to 10mm square, and crimps them too. With the Milescraft shelf jig drill guides, you can prepare up to 7 perfectly positioned holes in a single pass. If you need something a bit more powerful, consider the Ibenstock 400.2P. This wet diamond cutter is designed for brick, concrete, and other materials, with a maximum cutting depth of 152mm. Plus, its smart technology will remind you when it's time to replace the carbon brushes. Leverage wenches are commonly used in projects that involve working with pipes. Speaking of pipes, sometimes a pipe bender is necessary to get the job done. In just a couple of seconds, a bucket turns into a tool storage system with the 37-compartment DeWalt bag, ensuring a successful job. DeWalt also produces the DWHT Mini Jack, which can lift approximately 154 kilograms to a height of about 22 centimeters. Professionals prefer the laser brake disc lip removal tool for taking off the lip around the edge of brake discs. This Milwaukee roofing nailer can drive 700 nails on just one charge. Marshalltown Shockwave power screeds are favored by builders for concrete work, with sizes from 1.2 to 5 meters. The AHW600 is an adjustable hex wrench that can handle specific fasteners, including triangular, square, and E-Torx fasteners. Milwaukee introduces a battery-powered sectional sewer machine that cleans up to 60 meters and fits pipes from 5 to 20 centimeters in diameter. The PoE1 is a versatile tester designed for professionals. It works with Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a cables and tests voltage, amperage, and compliance with power standards. The DBF3872 drill bit is both flexible and strong, making it suitable for wood, brass, and steel. It has a diameter of 9.5mm and a length of 183 centimeters. The Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro stands out for its intuitive clamping and a 360-degree rotating handle, making it especially useful for working with pocket screws. Rounding out our selection is a laser leveling system from Milwaukee.